Hi, I'm Captain Linda Diorsi here at Fire Station 6 in Chula Vista. I'm here to give you a virtual tour of Engine 56. We're going to start here at the captain's seat. The captain uses the radios, the computer, and wears the red helmet. They also run the crew. This is where the firefighters and their equipment ride on the engine, including the air cylinders that allow them to breathe clean air in a smoky fire. Next, we're going to go to the hoses. These hoses have nozzles attached so that they can be quickly used to put out fires. On to the medical compartment, where we carry medical supplies to take care of people who are sick or injured. We have the ability to give oxygen, start IVs, give medications, and splint broken bones. This, for instance, is our airway bag. If somebody's having trouble breathing, we carry oxygen and a mask. We can help them with that. We also have a neck brace if the head and neck need to be braced. This is the tool compartment. Most of these tools are for fighting brush fires, but we also have a snake stick in here for catching snakes. This is where the captain keeps their safety equipment. This is what keeps them safe when they go into a fire. They also have their own air cylinder, so they can breathe clean air. The captain wears the red helmet. He or she is in charge of the crew. Now we're at the back of the engine, and I'm going to show you the hoses. We have larger hoses for larger fires. And here we have the hose that hooks up to the fire hydrant. Fire hydrants are all across the city. You'll see them on street corners and sidewalks. And here's where we keep our ladders. This is the engineer's compartment. This is where they keep their safety equipment. The engineer drives the fire engine. You'll also notice the fire extinguisher. You've probably seen these around your school. We also have tools in this compartment. We use a fire axe to break into a building if it's on fire. This is the nozzle compartment. These are the nozzles that we put on the hoses that I just showed you. Here's another compartment with safety equipment. This keeps our firefighters safe in a fire. We're at the engineer's pump panel. It's the engineer's job to pump water through the hoses so we can put out the fire. When we get water from the hydrant, it comes in here. We also have the ability to add other hoses here and here. This is the opposite side of the firefighter seat. We have 2 firefighters on each engine in Chula Vista. And we're moving on to the engineer's seat. This is where the engineer sits to drive the engine. They get to run the lights and siren in addition to the pumping of the water. Now you've seen a typical Chula Vista Fire Department engine. But before we go, I'd like to share some safety tips with you. First safety tip is do not play with fire, matches, or lighters. If you find matches or lighters on the playground, give them to an adult. They should not be played with. They can cause injuries. The second safety tip is know your home address. If you need someone to come to your house in an emergency, you need to be able to tell the 911 operator where you live. So know your home address in case of emergency. Thank you for joining us for the virtual tour of the engine and listening to our fire safety tips. We want you to be healthy and happy. We'll see you out there in Chula Vista.